Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to exclude pump.fun tokens from copy trade on Trojanbot. So with the recent update in the Trojanbot, you will get the option of excluding pump.fun tokens. So if you don't want to trade pump.fun tokens, you just have to simply enable that setting. For that, you need to open Trojanbot and you need to come to copy trading. Now click on the new option and then go to the advanced features option. So by default it will be like this, so you need to click on advanced features. Now in the advanced features you will be able to see the pump fund tokens. So if you want to exclude them, you need to simply click on it, and once it is yes, it simply means that your excluding setting is now enabled, and now Trojanbot will exclude the pump fund tokens in your account. So even if the person you are copying is trading pump.fun tokens, you won't be able to do that, or Trojanbot won't do that for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.